Home remedies for ear infection. Ear pain can feel unbearable, making it difficult to sleep, eat, or do anything but think about the pain. Many children find it particularly difficult to deal with an earache. People who are experiencing severe ear pain should always speak to a doctor, especially for the first time. However, there are remedies that people can use at home to relieve less severe earaches or as a means of reducing pain. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is used in a range of ways. A couple of warm drops in the ear per day may ease earache. Tea tree oil should be diluted in olive oil, sweet almond oil, or another carrier oil, usually 3 to 5 drops in 1 ounce of oil. Olive oil. This method is old but lacks any backing by scientific evidence. Adding a couple of drops of warm olive oil is safe and could be moderately effective. It will soothe your pain in a couple of minutes. Ginger. Ginger is considered to have natural anti-inflammatory properties. Applying ginger juice around the outer ear canal can relieve pain. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. Do not put ginger directly into the ear. Garlic. Garlic is a natural remedy for ear rash that has been used for thousands of years. Allicin, a compound in garlic, is said to be helpful in fighting bacterial infection that may be causing an ear rash. Eating raw garlic is said to help reduce ear pain. Onions. Like garlic, onions can help fight infection and reduce pain. Heat an onion in the microwave for a minute or two, then strain the liquid and apply several drops to the ear. Person may want to lie down for 10 minutes and then allow the liquid to flow out of the ear. Repeat this as needed.